Hey again, everybody, and welcome back to Practical Talk. I am your host, Heather Holloway, and I am so thrilled that you're joining me for yet another episode. And today I'm talking about how to use Facebook to advertise your business. Facebook continues to be one of social media's top platforms where friends connect and share online. It's not going anywhere. In fact, it's getting stronger. It is the number 2 social network, trailing just behind YouTube, but not by a lot. So it's still alive and well, my friends. But look, Facebook is far more than just a place for cat memes and status updates. It's the best venue for businesses to interact with customers and to self-promote. So in this episode, I'm going to teach you how you can use Facebook for your marketing. And this is whether you're a big corporation or a small local business. Using Facebook to keep customers informed, develop brand identity, and broaden your reach is a powerful marketing tool. So what are the opportunities that we have on Facebook? Well, one is of finding your right people. And then the other opportunity we have is keeping them engaged through a variety of posts. So let's first go out and find our people. And the way we're going to do that is by using Facebook advertising. Okay. Did you realize that 2.7 billion people use Facebook every month, which means there's a lot of opportunity for you to reach a specific market through Facebook advertising. Facebook will show your ads to people who are most likely to find your ads relevant. So here's how you find those people that are going to find you super relevant. You want to target and deliver your ad using one of 3 audiences. There are core audiences, there are custom audiences, and then there are lookalike audiences. Let's review core audiences. In this group, this is a group of people that you defined based on criteria like age, interest, geography, and a whole bunch of other things. You can adjust this targeting to be as broad or as granular as you like. But if you're just getting started out, I would definitely try to keep it broad so that the system can learn who you are and who you're advertising to. And then as you get better with Facebook ads, you can start to, whittle that down a bit and get a little bit more granular. But when you're creating your core audiences, think about things like the cities that people live in. So the areas, the locations, the communities, and the countries where you want to do business. In the core audiences, you can also determine an audience based on behaviors. So what behaviors do your best customers possess? Do you want to target your ads based on gender, age, job title, etc.? So think a little bit here on who specifically you want to target. Next, we have custom audiences. And with this group of people, you can get back in touch with those who have already engaged with your business online or off. This is super powerful, y'all. So here you can create audiences from your contact lists, your app users, your web traffic, and a whole bunch of other things where you can place a pixel. So think about custom audiences with following up with those who may already know you. Then we have lookalike audiences. Here, you can reach new people based on interests that are similar to those of your best customers. So you can take a group of people and tell Facebook, yo, I want you to create another audience with people that look just like this audience. Your ads will then reach people with those common interests and traits. So that's the paid opportunities that you have. So let's now take a look at the types of Facebook posts that you can create. You want to keep your audience engaged with the right type of content. And here's everything that you can do on your page. You can create text posts. So these are OG Facebook posts. They are called text posts, AKA status updates, which is just straight up text. So I'm talking about no photos, no videos, only words here. So we don't have a link. There's no photo, there's no video. It's just words. And what I'm going to say to that is this is no bueno, because you don't want to just post status updates. Okay. Although these posts are direct and to the point, if your goal is to drive traffic to your website or convert a lead or a sale, text posts just ain't going to cut it for you, because Facebook's algorithm isn't too kind of these posts. These are bare bone posts. These aren't going to keep people on Facebook. So they usually don't get much love and reach in the news feed. But you can do Facebook status posts if you like. Next, we have a photo post. In general, photo posts see much higher engagement than text posts. This happens in our agency. Anytime I share a post of me, a photo, I should say, of me, our engagement goes through the roof. People want to see people. Okay. So in general, if you're just getting started out with Facebook, or if you've been in the game for a while, make sure you have a healthy mix of photo posts. An eye-catching photo, you can even use graphics, you can use infographics here. These are all great ways to catch the attention of potential customers scrolling through their news feed. And if you're a product-focused business, don't forget to show off the goods in action, which can be really, really effective. Next, we have Facebook video posts. Video is incredibly compelling, and the platforms, especially Facebook, want you to create video. Listen, take it from a former television commercial producer. We live and breathe video at Holloway Media Services. So video posts will get higher engagement rates than photo posts. So you want to use a mix of short and sweet videos. You can use these for announcements, and then use longer, artfully shot videos that will include a narrative. The cool thing about videos, they play automatically in the newsfeed on Facebook. So you're all but guaranteed to catch users' attention. And make sure that you have the best bit of your video happening in the first 3 to 15 seconds. That's about the amount of real estate that you get with a person who's just scrolling through their Facebook feed. So make sure that you put your juiciest bits in your videos in the first 3 to 15 seconds. Next, we have Facebook live video posts. So if pre-recorded videos aren't your jam, you can always go live. I love live, and we're going to be getting into live video for Holloway Media Services. To be honest, I just need to find time to do it. But Facebook live video is a live stream broadcast right on your Facebook page. You literally can have your own show. Live video is an authentic and intimate way to connect with followers. You can use these broadcasts for questions and answers, product demos, behind the scenes tours, interviews. I mean, literally whatever you want to create for your show, you can do. So I would look to enter some live video into your content mix. And then we have linked content posts, AKA link posts. So think about this. Have you ever shared a link to your blog on Facebook? That's called a link post. This is where you can copy and paste a link to share a URL with your followers. When you paste a link into the composition box, a preview of the website will automatically preview like magic. So you could share a link to your website. You could share a link to a piece of content. You could share a link to another source if you'd like to. For instance, maybe you found a relevant and interesting article about your industry. You can share that link on your feed. Just remember that whatever the content, make sure to add a few unique words of your own in the post before you click publish so that your readers have some context or a takeaway. Link posts get more engagement than plain text posts. However, they do get considerably less engagement than photos or videos. This could be because Facebook doesn't want you to take people off of their platform. So just be advised there. Next, we have Facebook stories. Facebook stories are just like Instagram stories, which are photos or short video posts in vertical format, and they disappear after 24 hours. Photos appear for 5 seconds, and videos can take up to 20 seconds long. And check this out. More than 500 million people view Facebook stories every day. And the position of the Facebook story on the news feed may be why. Stories live at the top of your news feed, and they're immune to the mighty Facebook algorithm. So try adding stories into your content mix for a boost in awareness. And finally, we have the almighty pin post. Yeah, pin posts are any regular Facebook post that's locked in at the top of your page. This means it's the first thing people will see when they land on your page, which is prime real estate here, my friends. This is prime real estate. So whether you created a text post, a poll, a video post, anything, click on the 3 dots in the right-hand corner of the composition window, and you'll have the option to pin post. You can tell when a post is pinned because it's going to say pinned post right above, well, your pinned post. And listen, a well-executed pinned post is your chance to show potential followers exactly why they should like your page. And keep in mind, you can change your pinned post whenever you'd like. And there are a few other options that you can use to promote your business on Facebook. In addition to what I just shared, you can also post job listings, special offers, if you're, looking to recruit or build buzz around a sale. And if you're feeling charitable, there's also an option to raise money for a cause with a Facebook post. All right, kids. So what did we learn today? Well, there are 3 great ways of building targeted audiences to grow your business using Facebook. And you have a bunch of creative options for posting and keeping your audience engaged and entertained. So the last question is, what will you choose to do? Now, I understand finding the perfect audience and type of post for your brand requires a little bit of experimenting. So if you're stuck and frustrated and you want to just delegate this task to a pro, give us a call or you can text us. And right now, new clients will receive $250 off our Facebook and Instagram advertising service. All you need to do is text new 250, that's NEW 250 for a free discovery call, and just text that to 717-288-9969. This is also in the show notes if you're driving. Well, I hope you learned something today and you can take it to promote your business on Facebook. I hope you have so much fun posting. See you next time. I'm Heather Holloway, and you've been listening to Practical Talk. Thank you so much for being here. It means the world to me and my team. Hey, remember, check the show notes for resources and links to other episodes. And don't forget, new episodes are released every Wednesday.